This week we're gonna continue putting drywall. Hopefully we get to the floors too. There's a bit of change here. Instead of the original door that was going here on the transom window, we're gonna have these amazing French doors that were savage. So we're gonna continue sanding them, but what we also need to do is move that header up so that we can accommodate the French doors height. This week was a pretty good one. We raised the header so we can accommodate the French doors that are taller than the original design. We also completed the drywall installation, tape and floating. We also had the electrical in place. We moved the cables where they're gonna be. And we also did good work on the floor. We followed the original floor all the way to the new area and it's almost completed. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.